If you own a GTR, you will know the struggle of the dashboard issue here. So here you can see the issues always start with the fuel and the temp. So it'll be dim, flickering, dark out, and then you also see it starting by the RPM, the red line. That's also starting to flicker. Unfortunately, it's just how they're designed, and that's all we can say about that. But our service will take care of this, no problem. We like changing the lights because sometimes this orange is a little bit too much. People like red or blue or white in there instead, or maybe they want different colored backlighting, like the same thing, the blue or the red on the dials. So a lot of different options. Fortunately, this uses a lot of orange lighting throughout. So the dashboard here, the AC control, the radio, steering wheel controls, those are all orange. So while it would be possible to change all these, we can change all these from orange to something else. It's a lot of work. A lot of work taking everything out, taking it all apart. So we like to start with the dashboard and just try to improve the look there. A lot of people are satisfied with that. So we will, next video we'll show you kind of what it looks like when it's completed. And our other video already shows the removal process and the steering wheel removal and all that. Kind of want to do an extensive video on that, so we'll link that below. But this one, I just want to show you this car that came in to give you a more recent update on our repair service for this. And here we have the cluster all finished. Much more beautiful. All the lighting's working. They went with the blue backlighting. As you can see, even the shift indicator, it's a little bright on the video, but it's the same color as the overlay background. And then the center display screen looks a little orange, but it's a deeper red color. So much improved. Everything's been replaced in there, and it should last at least as long as the original did, if not longer. Again, we use components that match or exceed OEM specifications, and our warranty is good on all our work. That can be found on the website. Every service is different on the warranty terms and everything, but we back our work. And yeah, that looks a little bit better. Dim down a little bit so you can see. And then if you are removing this on your own, our video shows it, but this whole piece comes out, and then you can kind of rotate the cluster up and then slide it out to the right, so the wheel doesn't have to come off or anything like that. So thanks for watching. Give us a call if you need your colors changed or fixed or whatever you want to do. We can do everything here. Our business kind of depends on the customer and what they want done, and if there's something brand new that needs to be fixed, we can take care of it. So thanks for watching. Take care.